Welcome to Yog Thermal Guru, your trusted place for learning temperature sensors, transmitters, and industrial automation in the simplest way. Today we are discussing a very important topic, the difference between head-mounted temperature transmitters and panel-mounted temperature transmitters. What's the real difference? Which one should you use? And why? Let's understand everything clearly with real industrial examples. What is a temperature transmitter? Before we compare both, let's understand the basic purpose. A temperature transmitter takes input from a sensor like RTD, PT100 or thermocouple KJT and converts it into a standard signal like 4 to 20 milliampere or 0 to 10 volt, which PLC, DCS, SCADA or indicators can easily understand. Its job is signal conversion, signal amplification, noise reduction, long-distance stable transmission. What is a head-mounted temperature transmitter? A head-mounted transmitter is a small circular module that fits inside the connection head of the temperature sensor, normally in the head. Where is it installed? Right on top of the sensor, inside the enclosure. Key characteristics: compact DIN-rail style round design. Installed directly on sensor head. Short sensor lead length. Less noise because transmitter is close to sensor. Mostly to wire 4 to 20 milliampere output. Simple, low cost, widely used. Where it is used? Furnaces, industrial machinery, chemical plants, boilers, food pharma skids. Basically, wherever the transmitter needs to be mounted directly on the sensor. What is a panel-mounted temperature transmitter? A panel-mounted transmitter is designed to be installed inside a control panel, instrument panel or junction box. Where is it installed? Inside MCC PLC DCS control panels, mounted on DIN rail. Key characteristics: rectangular DIN rail design. Installed away from the sensor. Longer cable between sensor and transmitter. Higher protection, isolated from harsh environments. More features than head-mounted transmitters. Easy maintenance and wiring. Often supports HART, Modbus, relays, dual channels, etc. Where it is used? Control rooms. Electrical panels. Clean environments. Complex automation systems. Technical comparison. Now let's compare both in a clear and practical way. 1. Mounting location. Head mount mounted on sensor head. Panel mount installed in control panel on DIN rail. Impact: head mount handles field conditions. Panel mount stays in clean environment. 2. Sensor wiring distance. Head mount sensor wires are short, less noise, better accuracy. Panel mount long sensor wires, possible signal loss without shielding. 3. Environmental exposure. Head mount exposed to temperature, vibration, dust, moisture. Panel mount protected inside control panel. 4. Features and functionality. Head mount basic, compact, budget-friendly. Panel mount advanced features like digital display, HART Modbus, dual channel, range programming, diagnostics. 5. Accuracy. Both can be accurate, but head mount is equal to better noise immunity. Panel mount is equal to better advanced processing. 6. Maintenance. Head mount harder to reach inside field. Panel mount easy, panel door opens, transmitter accessible. 7. Cost difference. Head mount is equal to cheaper. Panel mount is equal to higher cost due to extra feature. When to choose head mounted? Choose a head mounted transmitter when heavy chip mark the sensor is far from the control room. Heavy chip mark field environment is harsh. Heavy chip mark you want minimal noise. Heavy chip mark budget is less. Heavy chip mark simple 4 to 20 milliampere output is enough. Heavy chip mark you need compact installation. Examples: furnace RTD, boiler thermocouple, pipeline temperature measurement, HVAC duct sensors. When to choose panel mounted? Choose a panel mounted transmitter when heavy chip mark you want advanced features. Heavy chip mark you need HART Modbus communication. Heavy chip mark maintenance needs to be easy. Heavy chip mark application is in a clean environment. Heavy chip mark you want dual channel output. Heavy chip mark you want to reduce field wiring work. Examples: pharma clean rooms, central control rooms, food plants, DCS SCADA-based automation. Final summary. So, in simple words, if you need the transmitter mounted directly on the sensor in the field head-mounted transmitter, if you want advanced features and protected installation inside a panel-mounted transmitter, both have the same job. They convert temperature sensor signals into usable outputs. But the selection depends entirely on the environment, wiring distance, budget, and automation requirements. Hope this video helped you clearly understand the difference between head-mounted and panel-mounted temperature transmitters. If you want more videos on sensors, transmitters, RTD, thermocouples, or industrial automation, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.